A little birdie told me you want to kickstart your fitness journey. First of all, congratulations, that's awesome. And I'm really glad you found this video because I'm going to share a couple tips that I use myself and I feel like it's going to help. Maybe you're new to working out. Maybe you took a pause and you're just trying to find that motivation. Well, there's a few things that I do to kind of get myself mentally ready to like embark on a true fitness journey. It's gonna sound super cheesy, but think about your inner thoughts or your inner dialogue. What are you telling yourself about working out? You're gonna have to change what you're telling yourself. Affirmations are funny because sometimes like you just don't believe what you're saying to yourself. So start soft. Like you can say, I believe that being healthy is good for me. I want to be healthy. I want to move. You know, start small and then later on you can say, I am healthy. I am fit. I do prioritize my time. You know, just like keep talking to yourself in a positive way instead of saying like, I'm a lazy slob or, you know, don't go down that negative route. Think positive. I remember a couple of years ago, I was like, I wish I was a fitness girly. And I'm like, wait a minute, like I could be a fitness girly. Why not? Why can't it be me? If you have a weird past with exercise, for example, exercise was used as a punishment for me when I was younger. So I had to kind of like rethink this whole thing. So if you're looking for like positive reinforcement or positive motivation, do a workout class with a friend, but do it as like a social thing. So I started movement, I think it was about 2 years ago, and we used to call it like bangs and hangs, where we do the club banger class on the Friday and then just like go for kale Caesar salad and pizza at Pizza Nerds right after. So it was our Friday night thing. We were active, we were still out, and we just didn't feel like we were missing out on anything. Then what happens is you get used to going to the gym, and so you don't feel intimidated to go by yourself. If you're not sure where to start, look up boutique fitness studios across the city or wherever you live. Personally, in my opinion, they usually have like more chill vibes. It's really like community based. You get to meet people that are in your area. They usually have really good like intro packs. So if you get an intro pack at a few different places, then you're pretty much set up and it's actually not as expensive. So you get to kind of try before you buy. Not surprising, guys, get yourself a cute workout set. Come on. I know it's like kind of frivolous, but pair something that you love with working out if working out is kind of not what you like to do. So I'm always motivated by fashion, although it's been a bit challenging finding something that that fits and that just like works for the types of workouts that I'm doing. I don't want to say center it around your clothes, but you can use clothes as a motivation. The other question I have is like, what's your why? Think about why you're doing this. Is it to lose weight? Is it to get fit, to get healthier, to live longer? What is your motivation and what do you need? What does your body need? If you have like a really high stressful job or like your family environment is like really stressful, you know, maybe what you need is like some downtime, some yoga, some meditation, like something to bring your body down. If you feel like you're sitting a lot during the day, you're not really getting like your movement in, maybe you love music and you just want to dance, you just want to go to the party, you just want to like go to the club, but you're older now and it's you know. Personally, I love vibes. Like I love music. I love like when they dim the lights, like I want to dance, I want to sweat, you know. I'm very music driven. So it's also very important to find a type of sport or movement that kind of matches the energy that you need at the moment. So I did yoga for a really long time, and at the time it's what I needed because my life was like very chaotic and it just like brought me down. Now that I work from home, I'm very sedentary. I need to move. I need to move. So even like hot girl walks are amazing because I have my music, or like movement classes where there's again music. Now I'm going to the gym, I'm doing weights, obviously there's music, but I'm also in a different place, so I don't need to like motivate myself to go to the gym anymore. I enjoy going. I like going. Okay, you're gonna have to get organized. So put it in your calendar. You're gonna have to plan your week a little bit better. You're gonna have to plan your groceries if you want to eat a little bit better. And also, if you're a person that is like data driven, get the watch, you know, get the watch. Okay, trigger warning. I also got a really fancy scale that monitors or that measures not just my weight, but all the other factors like water weight and muscle and fat. It's been pretty cool, and I have a really cool app that's tied to it too. I don't recommend the scale if you don't have like a positive relationship with your body, because it can become a little bit like negative and you can kind of spiral and start obsessing about the scale. I'm not on a shred, but it's because I don't have pain anymore. Like when I'm doing my workouts, we're really cranking up the weights. So I'm trying to like motivate myself and trying to track my progress in that way. Hey, I'm in my beast mode. I'm shredding. And then there's other things like, you know, drink your water. This is a 28 ouncer. I have about 2 a day. And sleep. You got to prioritize your sleep. I have a timer on my Google Home that reminds me to go to bed at 10:30 every night. I don't always listen, and I regret it when I do because it definitely affects your workout the next day. I feel like I could talk about this forever, but obviously this video is getting too long, so just let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow me for more mid-sized Canadian fashion adventures and just Ottawa lifestyle content.